Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Certified pre-owned and loaded with features. Features also include alloy wheels, rear view camera, leather interior group, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2016 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, air conditioning, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, home link garage door opener, floor mats, cruise control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.